20,000 pounds, 20,400 pounds. That's what we finna build these cradles for. Huh? You wanna watch me?
How many times can I do that?
You wanna take this down and put it somewhere? Or you just wanna hold it? Both cord pads. Now let's get the racks. Alright, let's see. Man, I know I didn't leave my cord racks. I swear that shit sound like the purge going on or something. I don't see my cord racks in here, man. This is weird as fuck. And I know I ain't left them in those. Oh my god. I know you. You can't be fucking serious. I don't have my cord racks. None of them. Zero. I have zero fucking cord racks. What the actual fuck? Let me talk to this man. Hey, would you guys happen to have cord racks here?
No, we don't.
I literally have zero cord racks.
Well, you can't load.
No cord racks.
Yeah. Unless you find another truck driver out here that'll might sell you something.
Man, this is ridiculous.
Yeah, we don't have cord racks.
Y'all don't have them. All right, I guess I just had to call the company. Man.
I'm gonna have to take your notice because I've released it to you already, and that way my boss can correct it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what they tell me. We could probably make something happen, but I know for
how many metal cord racks. I mean, unless you talk to another truck driver.
Yeah.
That's out here.
Mm-hmm.
They'll give you 4. All you need is 4.
Yeah.
Very truckers here.
It was one down there, but I don't see. There's no truckers here now. Nah. Nope. We're not out.
Well, I'll set this one down.
Okay, and I'll see
I
what.
need that paperwork. How you doing?
Okay, I'll see what they
Hold
tell
on
me.
1 second.
Okay.
Nate in there still?
No, he should be back line.
Because this truck cover don't have any metal racks, and I already released the full. I didn't know if you wanted me to keep the notice so he can fix it, or what's good. Where's he at? Where'd he go?
He went to the locker to get somebody's a paintbrush.
All right. Okay. Never mind. I'll take care of it. Yeah, I'm just going to take your paperwork, and then in the meantime, if you find something, just back into one of these doors.
Okay.
Okay?
Cool. Guess what, man? I don't have my fucking cord rack.